Hello guys, in the last video we have seen the difference between object based programming language and object oriented programming languages. It's okay, fine. Now in this video we are going to see another important interview question from object oriented features. That question will be which one there? What are the differences between class and object? What are the differences between class and object? How class is existed for us and how object is existed here now. Let's say for example, I want to take one simple example here, try to understand it. For example, I will take universe is an example. Universe I want to take as an example. Alright sir. Now inside the universe, just I want to take example for three living things. Three living things I want to take inside this universe. First of all, I want to take which one there? Persons, for example. Persons, human beings I want to take there. Next one is I want to take animals. Next one is which one there? Animals I want to take. Right. After these animals and other things are which one? Other one is which one? Let's say for example birds, for example. Simple example. Birds I am taking now. Persons, animals and birds. Examples I have taken. So they are the three examples inside this universe. Living things are available. So many things are available, but I have taken only three things. Now here my question is, how we provided this type of classification only? How we provided only this type of classification? Do you have any parameters to provide this classification? Persons is one classification, animals is another classification, and birds is another classification. Do you have any parameter to divide like this? Yes, definitely here we are having one parameter. What exactly the parameter? If you observe all the persons there, all the persons are having commonalities, common properties and common behaviors. All the persons are having commonalities, that is common properties and common behaviors. Right sir, what about these common properties and behaviors now? So two hands are existed and two legs are existed and so on and so on and so on. Similarly, common behaviors are available. Let's say for example eat. Next one is walk. And next one is like and so on, number of things. These are the common behaviors for the persons here, common properties and common behaviors here. Similarly, if you take animals, animals are having common properties and common behaviors. That is one classification. What exactly the classification? What exactly the common properties and behaviors for animals there? No, we can identify four legs are existed and one tail is existed and so on. Number of properties are available, common properties. No, common behaviors if you observe there, eat is a common behavior, is a default behavior, and swim is also a default behavior for animals. No, and so on and so on and so on. Right sir, number of common behaviors are available. That's why we made animals is which one there? One classification. Similarly, if you observe these birds actually, birds if you take there also a group of birds are having common properties and common behaviors. What exactly the common properties here now? Let's say for example two legs are existed here. Next one is which one here? Two wings are existed here now, and so on and so on. Similarly, common behaviors are available. What about these common behaviors here now? Able to fly. Fly is one of the behavior. Next one is which one? Eat is one of the behavior. They are having some other common behaviors directly. Right sir. A group of elements are having common properties and behaviors that we made it as a separate classification. Now here I am giving clarity there. Class, that means a person. Person is a classification. Person is a classification. It is having its own set of properties and behaviors, common properties and behaviors for all the persons now. Similarly, animals is which one here? One category, one classification which contains common properties and behaviors. Birds which are having which one there? Common properties and behaviors. That's why birds is one classification. So in this scenario, animals, that means persons is one classification Animals is another classification. Birds is which one? Another classification. So in the word classification, separate first 5 letters. In the word classification, separate first 5 letters, then it is called as which one? A class. Then it is exactly which one? A class. So we can understand persons is a class. Persons is a class. Similarly, if we come for this animals classification, here also animals is also one type of classification. So it is which one? It is a class. So it is a class. It is a classification. So it is a class. Now it is having properties and behaviors, common properties and behaviors. Similarly, birds is a classification. So it is also be which one? A class. It is having common properties and common behaviors. So finally, what is the definition I want to give for this class actually? Class is a group of elements having common properties and behaviors. Class is nothing but a classification. Class is nothing but which one? A classification. Understand it clearly now. So class is a group of elements having common properties and behaviors. This is what exactly the very first difference between class and an object. Class is a group of elements having common properties and behaviors. Class is a group of elements having common properties and behaviors. That's the meaning of this class. But what is the meaning of this object now? How can we define object? Object is very clear. Class is representing a group. Class is representing a group which are having common properties and behaviors. That's fine. Right. Now the object is which one? Among the group of elements. If any individual element among the group of elements, an individual element having physical properties and physical behaviors, then that individual element is called as an object. Object is very clear. Among the group of elements, if we take any individual element which is having common that means the physical properties and physical behaviors, then it is called as which one? An object. Say for example, persons, just as an idea, it's a plan. Myself is a person, it is a reality. Myself is a person, it is a reality. Myself, I'm having physical properties. Myself, I'm having physical behaviors. Now, I'm having my physical properties like 2 legs and 2 hands now. At the same time, myself, I'm having which one? They know my own behavior. I'm able to eat, I'm able to speak, I'm able to teach, I'm able to walk, something. My physical behaviors we can see there. So, myself is an object. But persons is which one? It's a group representation. Persons is which one? It's a separation. Persons is which one? A group of elements having common properties and behaviors now. So, persons is a class, myself is a person, now myself is an object. Understand the difference? Person is a group representation, but myself is not group representation. Myself is one of the element of the group representation. So the group representation is nothing but a class, and myself is an object inside this particular group now. So myself is which one? Is an object. Finally, the definition is which one? Class is a group of elements having common properties and behaviors, whereas object is an element. Object is an individual element among the group of elements having common properties and behaviors. That means physical properties and behaviors. This is the first difference here we have to identify. Right, sir. Now the second point here I am telling there, try to recognize this. I am asking one question directly. Persons and myself. Just comparison. Persons and myself. Myself is a person. Persons and myself is a person. Nagoor Babu. Persons and Nagoor Babu. Observe carefully. Which one is virtual and which one is real? Which one is virtual and which one is real? Persons is just imagination. Persons is which one here? Imagination. Just we are imagining the person is available like this. But myself is a person. Now it is reality. Myself is a person. Now it is reality. So the difference is which one here? Class is virtual. Class is virtual, whereas object is real. Class is which one? Virtual, whereas object is which one? Real. That's it. This is the meaning of like a class. There is a difference between class and object. That's when class is which one? Virtual. Persons, it is a virtual. Nothing. We are not going to say exactly a person now immediately whenever I am saying person. But myself is a person. Myself is a Nagoor Babu. Nagoor Babu is a person here. Then automatically this is which one? No, is an object. Fine. Next, one more point here. Try to recognize this now. All of you observe this in this example here if you take now. My point is which one directly. Now here I have taken persons is an entity. Persons is which one there? Is an unit. Person I have taken which one here? It is an unit. Recognize this. Now inside this persons unit there, we combined properties as well as which one here? No, behaviors. Both the combination is available. Inside this persons single unit, properties is one part and behaviors is another part. Both are existed here now. So the conclusion is which one? Class is virtual and it is an encapsulation of properties and behaviors. Combining variables and methods is nothing but which one there? No, encapsulation. So class is already virtual and it is a combination of variables and methods. That's why my another definition for this class is which one here? Class is a virtual encapsulation of the properties and behaviors. Class is virtual encapsulation of the properties and behaviors. But what about this object? Myself is a person. Myself is not virtual. Myself is real. And I am having properties and behaviors. Both are visible and both are combined. Both are embedded. So that's why object is which one? Object is physical encapsulation of. Object is physical encapsulation of the properties. Object is a physical encapsulation of the properties and behaviors. Object is a physical encapsulation of the properties and behaviors. Class is virtual, whereas object is real. Class is the virtual encapsulation of the properties and behaviors, whereas object is which one there? Physical encapsulation of the properties and behaviors. This is one point. Next, another difference here. Understand it clearly. Persons. Myself is a person. Just compare these two. Persons and Nagoor Babu is a person. Between these two, which one is generic form and which one is specific form? Which one is generalization and which one is specialization? Persons and Nagoor Babu. Nagoor Babu is also a person. Persons and Nagoor Babu. Which one is generalization and which one is specialization there now? If we come for this point, persons is generalization, whereas Nagoor Babu is which one? Is specialization. Persons is a generalization, whereas Nagoor Babu is which one? Specialization. So the point is which one here? Class is a generalization. Class is a generalization, whereas object is which one? Specialization. Class is a generalization, whereas object is which one? Specialization. This is the meaning of class and object. Class is generalization, whereas object is which one? A specialization. That's okay. Fifth point, another point here I am telling them. Try to recognize this. For example, one author has written a book. One author has written a book. Okay. The first copy, what he prepared, that is blueprint. That is model. From this model, from this blueprint, we are going to get number of Xerox copies or not. From the blueprint or from the original copy, we are going to get number of Xeroxes or not. But this is model. From this model only number of copies are coming there. This is the original plan and its implementation is available, number of books here now. So here my point is which one? Whatever the original first copy, what exactly the first copy here we are getting, that is master copy. That is also be called as blueprint and it is also be called as which one? A model. Let me say it is a blueprint. This is blueprint. From this blueprint we are going to get which one? Number of copies. Now this blueprint is nothing but a class, but whatever the objects here we are creating, they are which one? Duplicate copies of the respective blueprint. So here my conclusion is which one? Class is blueprint for the objects. Class is blueprint for the objects, whereas object is an instance of the class. Object is an instance of the class. Similarly, another point what I am telling there, let's say for example, if you observe this Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda is a role model for all the majority of the youngsters in India. Swami Vivekananda is a role model. Understand it here. Maybe Nelson Mandela is a role model for the number of members. Those who are expecting peace there, Nelson Mandela is which one? Is one of the role model. But he is a role model, but all the followers are available, they are following their principles. They are following this role model principles. So here, this model is nothing but a class, but all the followers are nothing but which one? No, objects. So here the definition is which one? Class is a model. Class is model for all the objects. Class is a model for all the objects, but whereas object is an instance of the class. Object is an instance of the class. That's it. So these are overall the differences here what we provided between class and object. Observe carefully. The first one is which one here? What are the differences between class and object? The points are available. The very first point is which one? Class is a group of elements having common properties and behaviors, whereas object is an individual element among the group of elements having real function, real properties and real behaviors. Means that physical properties and physical behaviors. Next one is class is virtual, whereas object is which one? Real. Class is virtual encapsulation of the properties and behaviors, whereas the object is the physical encapsulation of the properties and behaviors. Class is generalization, whereas object is which one? There no specialization. Class is blueprint for all the object, and object is an instance of the respective class. Class is model for object, whereas object is an instance of the respective class. These are what exactly the differences between class and object.